Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about exercise 2.2. See, first one, which of the following will not represent 0, will not be a 0. What is that? See the first one. Page number 43, A. Yeah, first one, A. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next B, check B. What is the B? 0 into 0. 0 zeros are 0. Next C, 0 by 2. It will be 0 now. 0 by 2 will be 0. Next to D, that is 10 minus 10 by 2. What is the value of 10 minus 10? 0. So 0 by 2, 0. Okay, children? 0 minus 0, 0, 0 by 2, 0. Completed now. Which is will be not a 0. This is 0, this is 0. This. A. The first one answer is A. Okay? This is the first one. Next, second one. So what is the second one? What is the second one? Same page number, second one. If the product of two whole numbers, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0, justified through the examples? See the children, if product of two whole numbers is 0, yes. So either one will be 0 or both will be 0. For example, 0 zeros are both will be 0. Or either one of the number is 0. For example, 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 0, 0. Product of two numbers will be 0 means one number will be 0 means the product also 0. Or both numbers 0 means the product also 0. Okay. So write the answer yes. Can we say that means? We can say yes. If we multiply yes, if we multiply multiply any two number with 0, any number with 0, any number with 0, the result product, the resultant product will be 0. Examples. One into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 7 into 0, 0. Okay? And this is okay, this is 0. Like that, if what is the question? Both will be 0 means 0. If both numbers are 0, then the result will be also 0. How? Example 0 into 0. So children, 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 0. If the product of two numbers, you want product of two numbers will be 0. Either any one number will be 0 means the product will be 0. If both number also 0 means we will get the result also 0. Okay. So this is the second one. Next, third one. Third one, page number 44. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Justify through examples. No, now product with the 1. Okay. If only one number be, see the children, What if the product of two whole numbers is 1? You can say that one or both of them will be 1. Justify through examples. Justify through the examples. See the children, third one. Again, the product of two numbers is 0. Can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through answers. Justify. See the children, if product you want to 1 means the both should be 1. If only one number with the product is another number, we not getting 1. For example, 5 ones are C. If only one number be 1, then the product cannot be 1. Cannot be 1. See, getting 1? No. 5 ones are 5. Other than 4 ones are 4. If you want to product 1 means the both numbers should be 1. See, if both numbers are 1, then the product is 1. See, 1 ones are 1. See the children, this is the sum number 3. Next, 4. Find using distributive property. 4. Fourth, page number 44. A. 728 into 100. Okay. See the children, this is 728. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 for using the distributive. How? A into B plus C, where A is equal to 728 and B is equal to 100 and C is equal to 1. See the children, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So now use this distributive. Okay, that is 728 into 100 plus 728 into 1. So 728 into 100, what is the value? 728 into 1, 728. So 2 zeros are there, like that. 728 into 1, 728. 728. Now add both. 72800, 728. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 plus 7, 15. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 73,528. 73,520. Okay. So this is the A. Next, B. See the children, B. So what is B? What is B? 54,437 into 1001. Like above, the same. Okay. So 5,437. We can find like this also. Same result. But using distributive law, we can write 1001, 1001, 10,000. 1000. So 1000 plus 1. 1000 plus 1. Like that. Okay. Now this is which formula? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. What is that? 5,437 into 1000 plus 5,437 into 1. Okay now? Now find 5437 into 1, 5437. So 3 zeros are there like that. Next 5437 into 1, 5437. Okay? Now add 5437 0 5437. 0 plus 7 7. 0 plus 3 3. 0 plus 4 4. 7 plus 5 12. 1 4 4 5. 5 double 4 2 4 3 7. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Okay. Which property you are used? Distributive law. Next one, C. This is B. B is completed. Next, C. What is C? $824 into 25. 824 into 25. How can you write like this? Is C. This is written as 824 into 25, written as 20 plus 5. Is it right? 20 plus 5. 25 now. Now this is in the formula. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Next, 824 into 20 plus 824 into 5. 824 into 20 multiply with 0, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Next with the 5. 5 4s are 20, 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12, again 1 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 1, 40. Now add this one. 16, 480, 4120. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 1, 2. 20,600. 20,600. Okay, children? This is 20,600. Next, D. D. What is D? 4,275 into 125. Okay. 4,275 into 100 plus 25. Is it right? 100 plus 25. Okay. Which formula? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. Using distributive law, this is A, this is B, this is C. 4275 into 100 plus 4275 into 25. 4275 into 1, 4275, 0, 0 is there, 0, 0. Next, with the 25 multiplication. 4275 into 25. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry. 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37. 3 is carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13. 1 is carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 20. Now with the 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 4s are 8. Now add 5, 7, 8, 6, 10. Okay? 68, 7. Now add the both result. What is that? 4275, 427500, 106875. Add 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 7 7, 5 plus 8 13, 1, 7 plus 6 13 plus 1 14, 1, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3, 5, 53, 43, 75. Okay, so use like that. This is the property, find like this. Next, next one, E. E 504 into 35. 504 into 35 can be written as 30 plus 35. Okay. Next, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Use this distributive law, find the given expression. How? 504, this is A, this is B, this is C. 504 into A means 30 plus 504 into 5. Okay, with the 0 multiplication 0, 3 fours are 12. Okay, 1, 3 zeros are 0 plus 1, 1, 3 fives are 15. 15,120. This one. 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 20. Shortcut. So 0 is there, direct we are there 20. Okay, now add 15,120, 25 to 0. 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 5, 6, 5 plus 2, 7, 1. 17, 6, 40. 17,640. Okay, children? Okay? Next, question number 5, last one. In this chapter, this is the last one. Fifth one. One into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 98. 123 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 987. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 is equal to 9876. Going back 9876, 9875 like that. There is pattern. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5. With the 5 here 5. 98765. Okay. Next, write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Okay. See the children. The next two steps have to write. How? See, next here 5 now. Next 6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6. Okay. It is going back. 987654. Okay, next step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7. This will become 9876543. Next step. 123, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 plus 7 is equal to 7 not 8 here. 8 is equal to 9876543. Like that we will go 1 and 2. Okay, this is very easy pattern.